A mother wants justice for a daughter she says was murdered. Mills River resident Dara Gardner died last August in what deputies have ruled an accident. News 13's Katie Killen joins us live in Hendersonville. And Katie, she's asking people to sign a petition?
That's right. Sharon Campbell wants the case reopened. She says her 24-year-old daughter was actually run over by a truck during a domestic assault. However, the Henderson County Sheriff's Office says Dara jumped from that moving truck, and that's what ultimately led to her death.
Here's the investigation report, which doesn't look like there's very much on that.
Files, papers, pictures. It's all Sharon Campbell has left of her 24-year-old daughter, Dara.
Murder in Mills River, North Carolina.
Dara died last August, but it's how she died that Sharon disputes. Dara's death certificate says she jumped from a moving vehicle, causing multiple injuries. But Sharon says she remembers a different story that night, starting with a pleading phone call from Dara.
I just need to get out of here. Please help me get out of this terrible situation.
Deputies and Sharon all agree that Dara, her younger sister, and Dara's roommate were all in the roommate's vehicle. The roommate and Dara were arguing. Sharon says Dara did get out of the truck, but the truck wasn't going that fast.
And then he grabbed her and pulled her back up against the car by her shirt.
According to Sharon, he then ran over Dara, but deputies say there's no evidence that proves Dara was run over. In fact, both Dara's sister and the roommate told law enforcement Dara jumped. But Sharon says deputies wouldn't let Dara's sister tell the truth following the accident.
The officer, I actually saw him put his hand this close to Dessa's face and say, "Stop, that didn't happen." Dessa sat back to get away from his hand and said, "Okay."
Now Sharon is hoping deputies will take another look at this case, she says, so Dara can finally rest in peace. And the Henderson County Sheriff's Office says that witness testimony corroborates the evidence at the scene. They say they have no intention of charging anyone in this case. Now, Sharon says that her daughter was abused several times by that roommate prior to her death, but Dara never filed any charges. She never reported it. Live in Henderson County, Katie Killen, News 13.